Understanding Meme Page, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, meme page. This phrase has become incredibly popular in recent years, especially on social media, and we are here to break it down for you. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of what a meme page is and how to use the term properly in English. So, let's dive right in. A meme page is a term that is made up of two parts, meme and page. First, let's look at the word meme. A meme is a funny image, video, or piece of text that is shared widely by internet users, often with slight variations. Memes are a way for people to express humor, ideas, and emotions online. Now, the second part of the phrase is page. In the context of a meme page, a page usually refers to a web page or a profile on a social media site where memes are posted and shared. The main purpose of a meme page is to entertain. People follow these pages to get a good laugh and to share the content with their friends. Meme pages often have a large following because they provide a constant stream of humorous content that is relatable to a wide audience. Meme pages can also create a sense of community among followers, as people bond over shared humor and interests. Some meme pages focus on specific topics, genres of humor, or pop culture references, catering to particular audiences. Now that you know what a meme page is, let's talk about how to use the term correctly. You can say things like, I follow this hilarious meme page on Instagram. Do you know any good meme pages on Facebook? In these sentences, meme page is used to refer to a social media profile or web page dedicated to sharing memes. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about meme pages. They are a fun and integral part of internet culture, providing laughter and a sense of community for many. We hope this video has helped clarify what a meme page is and how you can talk about them in English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.